couple of things. One, of course, exercise. It will help to improve the digestive system. And secondly, which is the most important thing, eat when you're hungry. Not it is because it's a lunchtime, not because it's dinner time, not it is snack time. Only eat when you feel hungry. That means your stomach acid will be up, it will be ready, your body will communicate to you, okay, it is a time to eat. So that is when you eat, and eat right at that time. When you eat, when you're hungry and when you eat right at that time, definitely the digestion would improve. Now, because your digestive system is weak, I'm not saying you, whoever has a weak digestive system, make sure you cleanse your colon first, your intestine first, okay? And how would you do that? One of the simplest ways is start taking ashgard juice with some lemon into it. Secondly, you can do, there is something called enema. You can buy an enema kit from Amazon and do the enema process maybe in a week twice or thrice if you have if you have a very bad digestive system. If you are passing motion on a daily basis at least once without any external source. What I mean is, there are many people who require to drink a hot water or a coffee or a tea, or they need to you know have that isabgulka drink or something. You need something for you to go and pass your motion, right? So that is not really natural. If that is happening, then your digestive system is not good. You need to do the enema. So that is when you require 2 to 3 times in a week. If you are able to, when you get up in the morning, in next 15 minutes, you have the urge to go to the washroom and use it, and you have a decent bowel movement, that means it is quite decent enough. You can do the enema process once in a week. That should be more than enough. Okay, let me tell you what is this. Why am I emphasizing on this enema again and again? See, what happens is, I know even, for example, anyone who is very fit, very active, doesn't matter how good they are, it is not that you're going to clean your intestine very neatly. Your colon won't be cleansed to 100%. Okay, so what is going to happen is, let's say you have the carpet, right? You have a carpet in the house, in your house. So these carpets has small tiny threads, millions and millions of threads. So it's so close to each other that a big object, of course, won't go and get stuck inside. But you see, there is a hell lot of dust which goes and sit inside. When you dust the carpet, you see a big a cloud of dust coming out from the carpet, right? That happens, right? So the same thing happens. Anything which are big chunks in your body, it easily comes out through the intestine and you pass it out. But these tiny things, those are clogged in your colons, between the colons. How do you clean that? The best way is to use enema. When you do enema, make sure you're using drinking water, and if you put some lemon into it, even better. Many people do with a green tea and a few other things as well. But I would suggest, if you're doing on a regular basis, a water enema with few drops of lemon in it would be great. Okay, that will also help you to improve the digestive system. Of course, physical activity, as I already told you initially.